My channel. So previously I uploaded the Galaxy S10 renewed, which was bought from Amazon, unboxing video. So now I am doing the review after 2 weeks of usage of this Galaxy S10. So first see the specifications. Galaxy S10 comes with 6.1-inch Quad HD display with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So back side you will get 3 cameras, front side you will get only punch hole camera. So this is a Super AMOLED display, but it's the in display fingerprint. It has a curved edge display also. So left side you will get Bixby button and the volume rocker, and the right side you will get only power button. In the bottom side you will get 3.5mm jack, plus this is USB type C and stereo speaker. In this you will get earpiece and the microphone and the SIM ejector, SIM tray. So actually this device is a very good device and a flagship model. Actually it is bought from Amazon, renewed product, but I got it for 33,000. For the 33 prices it is a worthy and very good, it's a very good deal. So if you want to buy it, please go through the link below in the description. So camera is a very good performance, and the performance also very good. There is no lag in the performance, so everything is fine. So the screen and the fluidness and the quality of the screen and fine. Anyhow, this Samsung screen, no, it's a very looking very good and nice. So apps are also running. There is no lag. I didn't find any lag in the last couple of days which I was using. So let us see the pros and cons of the device. First, discuss the pros. It has a advantage of in-display fingerprint, which is a ultrasonic, that is almost fast as possible. And the next con is the display. Display is a Quad HD display, Super AMOLED display. So black and whites are colors is very vibrant in color. See any video. So let us see one more video. See the video. Deeper blacks are deeper inside, and color are deeper in different side. So see this video. So video also is a good, and this is one of the con, and it runs on Exynos 9820 processor, octa core processor. So based on the 7nm processor, comes with 8 GB. This is also one of the pro concern. So, and it has almost all features, that is smart view, synchronous, NFC, and Samsung Pay is also there. The Samsung Pay is one of the pros of this mobile, and this also wireless charging and wireless power share is also there, and it comes with Dolby Atmos, and the camera is also very good. It has 3 cameras, that is 12 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 12 megapixel wide angle camera with a heart rate sensor, and flash is also there. Bought the S20 Plus on Big Billion Day sale, so I got it for
30,000.
The
Now
main
I will tell
advantage of this one
how
is
I will
speaker.
get it for
Speaker is a
30,000.
stereo speaker. Comes
So
with
the
stereo
MRP is
speaker and
77,999
USB
rupees.
Type
Big
C
Billion
with
Day price is
3.5 mm jack. But
49,999 rupees.
nowadays, so
So
many mobiles
Flipkart
are
is giving
missing the
the Flipkart Smart Upgrade
3.5
offer. You will get
audio jack.
30% off. So
But in this
15,000
mobile,
will be less.
3.5
So you
mm
will
audio
get
jack is there. Front side you will
35,000.
get punch hole display
198.
on the
Program
right
fee
side
is
corner, but I
199 rupees.
didn't like it.
But after
So
that,
this is one of
on
the
35,198,
drawback
you
of
will
the
get a
mobile.
credit
Let
card
us
10% off.
discuss the
So you will
cons.
get around nearly
So
3,000.
here punch
If you go
hole
for no cost EMI
display,
again, you
punch
will get
hole
2,000 more
camera
offer.
is there
So
on
totally
the front side,
5,000.
but
So that's why
this
you
is
will
not
get for
the
30,000
correct
this
position of
Galaxy
the
S20 Plus.
front camera.
So if
I
you want
didn't
to buy
like
it,
it. This is
please
one
go
of the
through it
con pro.
and buy
And the next one
the
is
big bird
battery.
in the sale.
Battery life is very low compared to the normal devices. So it has only 3400 mAh battery. So compared to other mobiles, the battery problems is not that much good. Let us see the screen on time of the battery, how much they will get it. So battery usage, see, every day I am using 3 hours 9, some day 3 hours 45 minutes, some 1 hour, so 4 hours, 3 hours, so last couple of days. So the battery life comes with not that much good. So we will get the screen on time in between 4 to 5 hours for heavy users. If you are not a heavy user, you will be comfortable with this one. If you are a heavy user, so it is not comfortable for you. So better to buy Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is a bigger battery compared to the S10. And the next con is that is One UI, but compared to the previous one UI 2.1 or One UI, but One UI 2.5 version is good and fluid, but compared to other manufacturers or other OSs, it is still laggy. RAM management is good compared to other mobiles, but still they have to improve it. This is also one of the con, because after 10 to 12 apps, so one of the app will be reloaded. So this is also one of the con, because Samsung has improved more in the RAM management system. Now let us run Geekbench, so to tell how the benchmark score Galaxy S10. So let us run Geekbench. See Geekbench 5. But Geekbench 5 is running fastly on S10. See, 2% is completed, 4%. So it will take some time to run the Geekbench. Now see 100% Geekbench is results is there. So Geekbench results 788. So single core and multi core is 2060. So see the single core 788 and multi core 2060. So behind the almost 1 plus 70, 1 plus 7 Pro is a far ahead compared to the Galaxy S10. So these are the benchmarks. So anyhow, Samsung Galaxy S10 is a good deal because it is a renewed product. So it will come nearby 33,000. So compared to the other flagship or mid-range mobiles, this flagship is very good compared to other mobiles. Still is a very good deal. If you want to buy it. So like this, I will upload lot more videos and compare the devices and unboxing and tech news. So if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon. You will get the notifications of the newly uploaded videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. The one of the next pro is, so while using camera, you will get tends to heated on the back side, so little bit heat if you use a camera for a long time. That is also a con for this device. And if you compare to the Snapdragon, Exynos is not that much fast, so almost in every aspect. So I think I am suggesting that better Samsung will go to the Snapdragon version in India.